I just finished this oil painting right here that I'll be teaching my next beginner class, and wouldn't you know, my cleaning bucket that contains my thinner is now all dirty, and I figured this is a perfect time to show you my brand new method of how I take dirty thinner that looks just like this and I get it to be perfectly sparkly clean just like this, so that way I can reuse it for my next few paintings. You're gonna wanna pay attention because not only is this easy and fast, but it gets every single drop of dirty thinner clean again, and it's gonna look so perfect and save you money. Here we go. Let's talk about the safety and supplies you will need really quick. First, you're gonna want rubber or nitrile gloves to protect your skin. You need one cleaning bucket, one heavy-duty zip top or zip lock bag, one A or alligator clamp, one needle or sharp pin. I suggest a needle, but a safety pin, push pin, nail, or screw can easily work. And for added safety and cleanup, a wide bucket or tray is nice to have. Now, if you haven't already, take your dirty thinner and put it into a Ziploc bag, or if you're like me, it's already in one. Be sure to remove your cleaning screen, just set it aside or put it in an extra bucket. From here, you want to find a surface that you can hang the Ziploc bag off of. For me, I've got a pouring table that I use for my acrylic pours that works perfectly. Just take the bag, put a corner of it on the table and clamp it down with the A clamp. Make sure that the Ziploc bag comes down to a point. This will help the sediment and sludge filter down to the lowest point possible within the bag. From here, all we do is play the waiting game. I personally recommend waiting 1 to 24 hours. More dense paints will sink to the bottom quicker, but pigments that have light density to them can take a little bit longer, so just wait. Here, you can see what it looks like after 15 minutes. Here is what it looks like after 30 minutes. Here is what it looks like after 45 minutes. Here is what I looked like at prom. And here is what it looks like after 1 hour. You can see that we got true and beautiful separation with all the paint, sludge, and pigment at the bottom and all of our beautiful thinner at the top. Now take your wide bucket and put it directly under your thinner bag that's hanging. Grab your clean bucket and drop in a fresh and clean Ziploc bag. While you're holding your cleaning bucket under your paint thinner, take your needle and poke a hole slightly above the sludge line. Now when you poke your hole, for the first 1 to 5 seconds, your thinner might stream out due to the pressure, which is why you hold your bucket to catch it. So be careful and be ready. A few seconds later, you're going to notice that it just starts to trickle out the bottom of the bag. And this is when you can move your cleaning bucket down below inside your wide cleaning bucket. And from here, you let gravity do all the work for you. After a few minutes, you will notice that all of your clean thinner will have drained out of your bag, leaving only paint sludge behind and having crystal clean thinner in your brand new cleaning bucket. All right, we are all done, and look at this beauty right here. This is perfectly cleaned thinner. It should be this light pale honey color. There's no more paint sludge or sediment at the bottom, and there's no more floating pigment. This is perfect to reuse for any painting or any handful of paintings you have coming up. From here, all you do is just take your paint cleaning thinner bucket, drop it in there, open up the Ziploc bag or zip top bag and fold it over the sides. Take your cleaning screen, drop it right in there. If the thinner's not coming up full enough to cover the paint screen right there, the cleaning screen, then just drop in more paint thinner until it goes about 1/2 inch to a full inch above, or whatever you're comfortable with for your painting style. This is one of the best and easiest ways to get every single drop of paint thinner nice and clean. And I mean, you can't argue with the results. It's perfect. Now, if you found this video helpful, you can do me a huge favor. Go down below, hit like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Feel free to check out my book if you're interested in continuing your art journey and selling your art, also in the video description down below. And if you want to know how to reuse, recycle, or throw away the old paint sludge, I have that in an old video which you can check over to my side, as well as a video going over Gamsol, which is the paint thinner I recommend every single painter out there uses. I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care. And of course, my hands are full. Peace.